Are you a confident beginner? And are you ready to take your sewing skills just a little bit up to the next level? Then this video is for you because we're going to be talking about 5 patterns to help you as a beginner sewist. But first, let's talk about what it means to be a confident beginner. This means that you've mastered some of the basics. Like you can sew a straight line, you know how to cut out fabric, you know how to do the grain line, you know how to read a simple pattern. But now maybe you're ready for projects that are just a little bit more involved and fun, but still at your level as a beginner. Maybe you want to learn a few new skills, but you don't want to just like bite off more than you can chew. At Love Notions, we are definitely known for approachable sewing patterns that have great fit and look amazing, just amazing results basically. And so today we're going to highlight 5 fall staples that are perfect for confident beginners. And each one has a touch of something extra that keeps you interested and helps build your skills, all while making pieces that you're going to be proud to wear again and again and that will actually get worn in your closet. So don't forget that right now our Flash 40 sale is on right now, and you can get 40% off all of our patterns and courses. And with every purchase, you can also get the classic tee for free unless you already have it in your account. So are you ready? Let's get started talking about these 5 confident beginner friendly patterns. First up is the Sloane Sweater. This is a Love Notions classic and a wardrobe must-have because we all need a cozy sweatshirt that is stylish but also comfortable. This is where this pattern has lots of fun little details in it, like color blocking with the yoke, that kangaroo pocket. It's got lots of little places where confident beginners might want to experiment by adding some of these design elements without getting overwhelmed. So I suggest that you work with a stable knit fabric. I would love to see you play around with some contrasts with the yoke and just play around with some of the features that make the Sloane such a beloved Love Notions pattern. Next up, the Arlington Sweater is for a confident beginner for sure, and it's easily going to be able to take you anywhere you want with your wardrobe. This kind of sweater has lots of different necklines, including turtleneck, mock neck, and it even has a cowl neck. The sleeves are also super fun. There is a bishop sleeve and a puff sleeve and some hem options. This is a pattern that's going to help you practice a lot of your techniques, like installing a sleeve, installing a hemband, installing those different necklines, but it's not going to be too scary. So here's a couple of our versions. For fall, I love this jewel toned with the mock neck. This actually comes in a dress length version as well, so that's great, little plus for Arlington. And there's also the puff sleeve option as well for all of the different pieces. So I love wearing this just basic turtleneck, black sweater turtleneck. It's essential for me. I've got a nice, beautiful cowl top with the hemband and the puff sleeves. One almost exactly the same, except for this one has a mock neck, a nice cowl neck one without the hemband. So this is just like a nice flowy pattern. And then this one is the same, but just in a rib knit. So this pattern is so versatile. I have it all over my wardrobe. If you're looking for something a little bit dressier as a beginner sewist, the Tessa Sheath Dress is where you need to start. It is a fitted, simple sheath dress that is perfect for laying under jackets or cardigans or maybe like the Metra blazer for fall. And what makes this pattern great for confident beginners is the clean lines and the really extra simple construction, but it's still going to allow you to practice some of your fitting techniques. For example, you might need to make a few adjustments for fit or decide if you need a full bust adjustment that's already embedded into the pattern, but at the end, it's a flattering result. I suggest using a stable knit like Ponte or Scuba, and you are going to have a great version that you can wear over and over and over and over again. Now, let's talk about another fall layering essential, and that's the Fraser Cardigan. This is one of those classic pieces that you're going to reach for over and over again. The design is simple with that curved hemline, but it gives just enough creativity and some options for practicing things like applying that curved hemband. It's going to help you work on your confidence with knits and learning to sew those neat hems. It also lets you play with adding pockets on the front. And again, who doesn't need a cozy cardigan for fall? Everybody does. So try it with lightweight sweater knits or some brushed fabrics, and you are gonna have a beautiful make at the end. And don't sleep on those pockets. They are so functional and fun. And last but certainly not least is the Coda Quilted Coat. This coat is a confident beginner's dream project because even though it might look complex, all of the instructions are really simple and clear, but you can choose the version that works best for you. And you could even try your hand at quilting, which is a great way to practice some of those more elevated techniques. This pattern is so perfect for this moment right now. Everybody is making a quilted coat, and so this pattern is what you are going to want to go to for creating this. One tip I have is to really consider the batting that you use if you make a typical quilted coat. Try for one that's made of bamboo and is a little thinner to get you a really modern look for your quilted coat. So whether you're keeping it casual with the Sloane Sweater or you're gonna step it up a little bit with the Coda Quilted Coat, these are 5 patterns that are perfect for a confident beginner and anyone who's ready for a fun fall challenge. Remember that our 40% off sale is on right now with code FLASH40, and you'll get the classic tee for free with your purchase unless you already have it in your account. Before you go, I would love to hear which pattern you're most excited to try, or give a suggestion about what pattern you think is in the Love Notions collection that's great for a confident beginner. So drop me a comment below and let me know. And you're not gonna wanna miss the next video because we have a huge surprise. A major freebie and a brand new pattern are coming your way. Our flash fall sale ends tomorrow, so make sure that you get that wish list ordered and get everything that you need for some great fall and winter sewing. So happy sewing, and I will see you next time. Bye.